Hi, this is Linda with BloomBakeCreate.com, and today we're talking about soy wax batik. I am doing soy wax batik on a silk hanky. I'm using a potato masher as my stamp, and I've stamped on it once, and now I'm looking at the front and I'm going to look at the back to be sure that the wax went all the way through. And there's a little close-up for you, and now I'm ready to continue my design. You'll see that I'm have a piece of cardboard in my right hand that I put under the stamp when I move it over to my project. This is to help keep the wax from dripping over everything. Also, any excess wax I can shake off before I put on my project, and you will see me do that in a minute as I carry it over and shake it a little bit before it goes onto the project. This is a very beginning elementary tutorial on soy wax batik. It's a very fun, easy project. And as I said, we'll just continue. I'm doing this on a silk hanky, and the silk hanky has been ironed on freezer paper to make it taut so there wouldn't be any wrinkles. And it'll give a nice smooth surface. I'm also working on a padded surface that I have covered with a cloth. It always helps to have something padded under it. And I'm almost done with this. And every time I stamp, I go back to the wax pot and load my utensil up again and again stamp. Okay, I'm finished with that. And I want to use another tool, which is called a janting tool. And this is used by soy wax or really batik artists, where you can make fine lines, you can draw with it. It's just a really interesting little tool. Of course, you can use all kinds of tools besides these two. Do you notice I did test it out before I put it or tried to write, or what I'm doing is I'm making little circles or little dots on here. But I tested it out on my cardboard first to be sure that it worked, because it does take some time for the wax to get to go through the tool. And I'm just finishing it up, and that's all with that for right now. So this is the end of this tutorial. I appreciate you watching it, and I will show you what our next step is to finish this project on this hanky. And that's the tool again. I want to be sure you saw that before I left. Thanks.